This is a table with all my domains, and I'm using GoDaddy in that scenario, but you could be using Let's Host Ireland, Hosting Ireland, or some other domain providers. I'll try to point that domain to the DIY website. So I'll click inside, and I'll have to find a Manage DNS button. In some other providers, just go back. In some other providers, that Manage DNS is here, 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 or something like a drop down inside that table. But in my case, it's inside here. So Manage DNS, and that will open a page with a bunch of records. Now, there are two things that have to change here, It's that A record. I'll have to assign a different value here. So it's that A record with the @ sign, assign a different value here. Let's do that. And this is the value. And then I have to change the www record, but I have to change it from a CNAME to A. So I have to completely delete that. Then paste the same value as the one above here. So I'll delete that one, add a new one that is of a type A, type www, and then the value here. Save. Now in some cases that www might not exist at all, so we can just add it. But in some cases it exists in the form of a C record that has to be deleted, and a new one that with A has to be created. So at the end of that exercise, I have two A records, one for the @ sign, one for www with the same values. Once that's been done, please let us know so we can set it up on the servers, because a new domain can take up to 48 hours even sometimes to pick up on the website.